Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by x. Next, we divide both sides by x again. So we have y over x. That is about degree number 1. So we use about homogeneous. So I will change about y equal to vx. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by x. Next, first derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have v. This is about the product rule of derivative. So I will put this one to change for y. This one we change by this one. So this one we got v, this one we have v, and so on in here. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and then we divide both sides by negative v sine v minus cosine v. Because if we put this one go to the right, we have the negative with negative in here. They cancel. And now we just have this one like this. Next, I will put v go to the right, and we have negative v. Next, we do common denominator. Next, we put negative go in here, and we combine this fraction in here. So we got like this. Next, we have v and v. We can do about factorization. Next, v sine v, so v sine v minus v sine v, we cancel in here. Next, negative, you got about positive cosine v. So this one we have 2 cosine v. Next, we put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. So we will have about v sine v minus cosine v over 2v cosine v, and we have dv equals to the s over s. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, so v sine v divided by v cosine v divided by cosine v. So this one we will have about 1 over 2 sine v over cosine v. minus 1 over 2v. And now we have the final answer. The integration of sine v over cosine v, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine v. The next one, we have negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of v. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.